Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video. In this video I will be discussing that how you can tag someone in your Twitter post. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, head over to your Twitter account and here on the bottom right corner you will see a feather icon. This icon represents writing a new tweet. So click on this icon and from here you can simply just type any text or you can attach images. So let's attach an image and there you will see an option to add comments. Let's type a comment and you can also set the privacy that who can reply to your tweet. Let's click on this earth icon on bottom left corner to change that and let's click only people you mention. You can also add the location to your tweet by add location button. Now let's see how you can tag someone in your Twitter post. In the comment section, just type an @ symbol and you will see a list of people that you can mention. You can write their username if you cannot find them, and once you can see them, click on their name and they will be tagged on your Twitter post. Now just simply click on the tweet button on top right corner and there you have it. Now you have tagged someone in your tweet with just a few easy steps. So that's how you can tag people in your Twitter post. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers.